Hey, Miley World, it's Miley and...
Bitch.
Your stock just went up big time. How cute is he? So today he's my professional train holder. Yes. Where'd you get my dress? Spit out of toilet paper. TP. Can you imagine? That'd be awful. Match, not to be confused with Madonna. Love. Oh. Okay. Anyways, just... Look, there's Vinny walking down the street. anyways, just saying hey, I'm at the AMIs. My favorite B-Day gift that I've gotten already is Kesha got me a lollipop with one of her extensions attached to it. And it said, Happy B-Day, love Kesha. I'm like, yeah, you go. You know that girl, she will spend any amount on presents. She just wants to give and give and give to her friends. You know, that old Cash, she's a giver. Hey, guys, these are people outside. I wonder if they're going to be mad. I wonder if I need them to sign a waiver. Nah. Anyways. So, this is Kenny.
Hey, Miles.
And you're not allowed to touch his radio. So don't even think about asking me. Don't you ever. Alright, so driving down, what street is this? Olympic. Going to the AMAs, as I said before.
Don't you lean back.
I'm not allowed to lean back.
Not allowed to lean.
We've
got a Marquesa bow.
That cannot
on the
be
back.
Squishy.
It'll get crushed so fast.
Want to see the coolest jewelry in the world?
Neil Lane.
Cha-ching. Cha-ching. But I don't get to keep it. But I do get to keep these bad diamonds. Holla. Next time, Rite Aid, these are happening. Don't even get it twisted. Shoing, shoing, shoing. What else is cool that I have on? Oh.
Your earrings and hairstyle.
This is Megan. She's wearing a black dress. She really surprised me because it's my birthday. She thought she was going to step it up. Oh. Anyways, just saying hi. Adios. Loves.